signs of that change to the northwest of the British Isles. If we take a look at the Scottish radar, you can see an extensive area of rain just approaching from the west. Now, if we draw back, you'll be able to see that the rain is already beginning to fringe the western side of Ireland as well. Not only wet weather on the way, but windy weather, and the winds are already gusting up to 30 to 35 miles an hour on that western side of Scotland. Now, that wet and that windy weather is going to work its way across northern parts of the British Isles overnight. For Northern Ireland and Scotland, the winds touching gale force at times, perhaps even severe gale force to the north of the Great Glen, where the winds could reach 65 miles an hour in gusts. So the wet weather coming along as well, some heavy bursts of rain for Northern Ireland and for Scotland. By the end of the night, the rain right the way across Scotland and beginning to fringe the western side of England and Wales. For the rest of England and Wales, though, I think a dry night, but this cloud blanket is rather ragged, and underneath those holes there could be some dense fog patches, perhaps even a touch of frost on the ground as well. Now, the reason for the unsettled weather is down to this Atlantic low. It's been winding itself up, and it'll spread its cloud and rain across the country during tomorrow. So we're going to start off fairly bright in the southeast, a little bit of that mist and fog gradually clearing away, but through the day the cloud will increase, the winds will pick up, and along will come the rain. Some of that rain will be heavy and persistent as it sweeps eastwards. By the end of the day, though, I think we are going to see somewhat brighter weather coming into Northern Ireland and Scotland as the winds moderate, turn to the west and eventually to the northwest. But there will be some showers around those northwest-facing coasts and hills. Temperatures tomorrow between about 8 and 12 Celsius. The strongest winds for Wales and for northern England during the afternoon, quite breezy across the southeast as well. Now, as far as Wednesday's concerned, eventually that weather front will move away, and then brighter weather for all of us with some showers pushing in to the northwest on Wednesday and on Thursday.